Are you looking for the best portable tabletop saws in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best portable tabletop saws that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, SawStop JSS-MCA Jobsite Saw. Now you can experience the precision, safety, and quality of a portable tabletop saw, thanks to the SawStop JSS-MCA Jobsite Saw. This machine is highly portable and you'll be able to use it anywhere, anytime. It measures 26 to 1/4 of an inch long by 28 to 3/4 of an inch wide by 45 inches high. Features: solid T-style fence. It features ergo lock system that promotes easy sliding as well as ensures firm lock. Simple, intuitive action. It extends the mobile cart for use and collapses the cart for easy transport. One-turn elevation. It raises and lowers the blade in just a single turn on the handwheel. At number 4, Skil L3350O2, 7-inch saw with HydroLock water containment system. Skil not only builds projects but also they help you build confidence. They produce quality products like the 3350O2, 7-inch saw, which has unique features to help you deliver exceptional results. It is without a doubt the best portable table saw you'll ever come across on the market today. Features: functional bevel. It cuts tile at 0, 22.5, and 45 degrees, and helps bring in flexibility for different cuts. Adjustable rip fence. It is equipped with miter gauge for straight, accurate performance. Aluminum tabletop. It is a durable and rust-resistant surface for superior durability. HydroLock water containment system. It not only keeps water contained near the blade but also reduces cleanup time. At number 3, Delta 366O2010, portable table saw. This portable tabletop saw comes with a miter gauge, blade guard, push stick, and a 10-inch blade. It comes with virtually everything to make sure you lack nothing during use. The unit's fence can slide out for quick and easy adjustment as well as accurate cuts. Carry it to any project site for optimum convenience. Features: aluminum tabletop. It is resistant to corrosion, and it comes with RH table extension for optimum performance. On/off switch. It is large and easy to access for convenience. Retractable blade. It retracts below table for effortless cleanup of the tabletop. At number 2, Makita 2705 10-inch table saw. Versatile and powerful, this portable table saw is ideal for use on the job site or in the shop. It combines convenience and easy-to-use features to deliver exceptional performance. This machine is efficient, versatile, and precise. It is worth relying on for various DIY activities. Features: riving spreader, knife. It adjusts to 3 different positions for non-through, through, and dado cuts. Precision machined table. It remains true and flat for accurate cuts. Right extension table. It allows for greater cutting capacity with the capability to rip 4 times 8 sheets of plywood. 1-year warranty. Protects each material from manufacturing defects and workmanship for a period of 1 year. 30-day guarantee. Gives you peace of mind knowing that your product is well protected. At number 1, Skil L3350O2, 7-inch saw. It's time to stop renting a saw because Skil now has the best portable table saw on the market. This unit gets the job done within a cinch, thanks to its powerful features and functionality. Features: stainless steel top. It supports tiles up to 12 by 12 inches, and it is corrosive resistant for superior durability. Blade cooling water reservoir. It keeps blade cool while minimizing debris and dust. Adjustable rip fence. It features a miter gauge that allows you to make accurate and straight cuts. 0 to 45 degree bevel. It provides flexibility for various cut types. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.